Boy, it sure is cold out here.
Boy, it sure is cold out here.
Welcome back, everybody. Good morning. It's time for hump day update. We saw you probably saw on last Sunday's video where I burnt the saw up, and I was real excited about watching that old boy run that first board through the edger. And I was over there looking out that window when he was getting ready to do that, and I had that log laying up against that blade, and dadgum, it lit it up. Boy, it was hot, piping hot. It took forever for it to cool off. And so we finally tried to run another log through it, and I think it was the dished up. I couldn't even push the logs through there. And so anyway, it's one of them things. If it can happen, it'll happen to me. So I called the old saw doctor up there at Andrews, and talked to Brett, and he told me to come on up there this Friday. And so we're gonna run up there and take the blade and let him doctor up on it. And he told me something that was really interesting. He said he had another 60-inch blade up there, and he wanted me to bring it back and try it out, see if I liked it or not. So I told him I was all excited about that. That sounded really good. So we're gonna do that. I'm really looking forward to it, and looking forward to the trip up there. I always have a good time when I go up there and see them boys. They good old guys. So we're gonna get this blade on off here and get it packed up and see if we can't get up there. I'm gonna have to take a van or something. I was delivering a load of wood the other day and going up the mountain, and something happened to my truck. It just died on me right there on the side of the road. So I had to have a wrecker to pull me on the rest of the way up the mountain. And then a good friend of ours came, and we unloaded the lumber, and he hooked to the trailer and throwed my truck up there. So it's off over here at the mechanics. And that's been over a week, and I rode by there yesterday, and I hadn't even moved it yet. So they're good old guys too, so I hate to aggravate them. So I guess they'll call me whenever they can get to it. So we're gonna try to throw this thing in the van. I don't know if we can get it in there or not. If we can't, I'll have to tag a little lawnmower trailer behind us or something, throw it in there. So we'll get that in there, and I'll talk to you in just a little bit. I don't know if I can do this or not by myself, but I'm gonna give it a shot. First time I put the blade on the mill, I did by I did it alone. So I'll give it another try. I wanted Michael to help me. He couldn't do it. He had to do something with it. Take his daddy's doctor, I think, or uncle or somebody. I think we can do it by ourselves. I don't know. Should be able to. Keep your fingers crossed and say a prayer. I'll go over there and wiggle it. Just see what happens. There we go. Got it off her. Maybe I can do this or something. see if I can't get that bolt. Piece of wedge or something. Maybe I can get that splinter or a little piece of bark there to go up in that hole with it. Let's try that. You go up in there with it. There we go. Ah. You stay right there now. We got her now. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah. I think I'd ride right there. Old windmill really likes today. We had that thing painted up so pretty, it was shiny. Sherwin-Williams told us that was the best outdoor paint we could buy. I might as well. I'd had better results with Krylon, I think.